Kapwa tinuldukan ni na Catherine Bernardo at Daniel Padilla ang matagal ng usap-usapan sa kanilang hiwalayan. Sa kanya-kanyang Instagram accounts, tinapos na ni na Catherine at Daniel ang mga espekulasyon sa pagkumpirmang tapos na ang kanilang 11 years relationship. Chapter close. I hope this finally helps all of us move forward. I won't be entering questions regarding this anymore. Thank you for understanding. Pahayag ni Catherine sa kanyang Instagram post. Ayon kay Catherine, 21 years na siya sa industriya kung saan 12 years daw dito ay bilang one half ng Katniel at 11 years bilang someone na totoong nagmahal kay Daniel kahit sa likod ng kamera. I promise to never lose myself in this industry, so I've always been as authentic to you as I can be. I know what many of you are thinking right now. I'm well aware of the rumors and speculations going around, and as hard as it is to put everything into words, I want you to hear it straight from me. It's true that DJ and I have decided to part ways. What DJ and I had was real. It was never for a show. We were together not because of the fans, not because of the money that comes with a successful love team. We were genuinely in love. He knew me more than anyone else. He was my first boyfriend. He was my comfort zone. He was my person. I will always have love for him. Hindi man niya idinatali ang dahilan ng kanilang breakup, sinabi ni Catherine na nagtapos ito ng may respeto. These past few months have been tough, but thank you for giving us the time we need to process the pain and finally face the elephant in the room. Our love story began with respect and ended with respect. DJ, you gave me 11 beautiful years and the kind of love that I will cherish forever. I will always be grateful for you. Umabot na ng halos 4 na milyon na like ang Instagram post na ito ni Catherine at patuloy ang paghahayag ng mga fans at mga celebrities ng kanilang pakikisimpatya sa dating celebrity couple. Naglabas rin ng pahayag si Daniel Padilla hinggil sa kumpirmasyon ng hiwalayan nila ni Catherine Bernardo. Ayon sa inilabas na pahayag ni Daniel, isang malaking biyaya raw ang naging pagmamahalan nila ni Catherine sa loob ng 11 years. Kahit nahiwalay na sila, ang alaala raw ng kanilang pagmamahalan ay laging babaunin ni DJ ng kanyang puso at magsisilbing liwanag sa madilim na araw. Nagpasalamat din sa Katniel fans ang kapamilya actor dahil sa pagmamahal nila sa kanila ni Catherine. Magiging mahirap daw ang lahat, subalit kailangan niya itong yakapin.